This is genius. Something that makes me really excited is anytime we can find, and you're right, we talked about this in the book, anytime you can find an opportunity for a story to go. Like I was like, put it on the back of a cereal box, right? As you're just sitting there on the, or like the, of course, this is back to now that I'm taking the subway. Like there's so much advertising in the trains on the subway, and people are sitting there for sometimes an hour. Why not have your company tell its story across the imagery? And you're right, that is one of the empty spaces that I never considered. What an incredible opportunity to maximize that time. And you can have as many short stories on there as you want. I am stealing that idea. I will call it yours, but that's genius. It's absolute. Everybody should be doing that.